How to enable two-factor authenticator on AliExpress. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application AliExpress. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Account at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. It will open up the settings page. At the top, you can see the option of Profile. Click on it. But in this page, you can see there is no any feature or the option where you can enable two-factor authenticator. But what else you can do is, you can create a passkey. You will need to set up an iCloud or Google passkey to log into AliExpress by scanning your face or finger, or by using a passcode. Well, the information will also not be saved on AliExpress. So tap on passkey and then click on Create Passkey at the bottom. Now tap on Continue. It will scan your Face ID. Now whenever you log in into your account, you will need to scan your Face ID, and after that, only you will be able to log into your account. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.